Hello, we've got a 1973 Ford F100 XLT Ranger. It's got the heavy springs for pulling. These are brand new tires. We have the receipts. They're about, these Mickey Thompsons are about 3 weeks old. There's very little rust, but we left it alone. This is an honest truck. I'm going to show you anything that looks like it might be a problem, but there's not much at all. A little bit right here. There's none in the cab corners. That's locked up. Here, let's fire her up. Did I lock myself out? There we go. Pull hard. All the windows work. The gull windows work. This is the interior. This rig sat since 2006. Really good bones under that, but the sun cooked the original, but the padding is really, really good. If you wanted to have it upholstered, all the bones are fantastic. We just matched it up. Here's this. You can see the cab corners here. You want to open that for me? I can't get two hands. There we go. Really clean. This is one of the cancer spots here. Somebody tapped him. I have no idea when. You can see the door stops here aren't bad. Very original. Very. There's a liner. All right. Okay. This is what the gas and the original gas and brake pedal look like. This carpet is in excellent shape. I don't know if it came later or not. You got your little air filter opener here. BrakeWorks BrakeWorks great.
Emergency brake.
Yeah, e-brake. We don't know about the air conditioner because we haven't put a belt on it. Radio does not work. Blinkers work great. Speedometer works great. No smoke of any kind. This came on, let me show you also This truck comes with a triple tank fuel system. So there's one. So it's a long range truck for pulling your camper if you want. There's two. So you have the third one right over here. In addition to that, this is wired with a block heater, which we got tucked away there before weather starts. Oh, the sun's just blinding us. There we go. Hazards work.
Where's that fucking thing? They're usually like right
here. Any rust is topical. Jockey box works, and this is actually really cool. 1973 Ford truck owner's manual, F100. This is the let's check this out. I'm recording, buddy. This is the original owner's card. Look at that. Somebody built this funky thing, and we like it. You can see they grinded the metal for it, and it's just it's a little piece from the past. This all works. I don't know. Let's see if the cigarette. Now this is, while we're waiting for that, if it does pop, this is the brakes, the trailer brakes they put on this thing, and it used to light up, but this thing got hot, so we disconnected it. So everything's wired and ready to go if you guys want to add a trailer, and I'll show you all the extra towing stuff that's been put on this as well. Let me pull this. Doesn't look like it's working. It might be a fuse. Again, you can see no rust here. Same here in the door jambs and the cab corners. There's where the guy had a fifth wheel set up. You can see where this is squared off here, where he had the plate. You've got shock air adjustments here and oversized springs, which I showed you earlier. You got a nice newer hitch. All these lights work. Why don't you turn the headlights on and turn off the hazards? This plate light works. This one's out. Yeah, we'll hit that. Hang on a second. Let me. We've got the air filter color cover for it right over here. And that's off of the 429 Merc. This is the 360 FB. That's a 2-barrel Holland. As you can see, it's all the original air conditioning lines. It's got a new fuel filter, new oil. We have no idea if this works yet. We haven't had time to put a
Belt on it.
Yeah, belt on it. But super clean cage here, newer battery. Now the thing we notice first about when we drive it, it stops on a dime. We checked out the brakes when we put the tires on. You could drive it pretty much anywhere without having to worry. But this power steering is ridiculous. You could drive it with one finger. The horn does not work.
This road right here.
Yeah, take this one. And yes, we know it's got Chevy mirrors on them, but we like them.
Universal.
I like them better than the big.
Oh,
The Ford ones they go way out,
Fuck,
but
they're ugly.
I'm sure there's guys that are gonna watch this and go, no, no, I gotta put Ford ones on there.
Fuck, more than welcome to do it.
Yep.
It doesn't pull. It doesn't pull.
That's one of the first things I noticed the first time I drove it.
Keep right, what do we got going on here?
Oh, I thought we were gonna be able to get up and get on it.
Yeah. Maybe right after this.
I think we're good now. Some cars on the highway.